स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
Appellant filed a suit for declaration that he is adopted son of one Jagdish Saran, son of Mangal Das, full stop. According to the plaintiff's case, his natural parents Hari Ram and Srimati Usha Devi gave the plaintiff in adoption to Jagdish Saran while he was about 5 years of age in 1990, full stop. Admittedly, no document evidencing such adoption or deed of adoption so executed was brought on record, full stop. The suit was itself filed in the year 2006 after Jagdish Saran had expired, full stop. According to the plaint allegation, the need for filing of the suit arose as Jagdish Saran was an employee of the North Central Railway, and in order to consider plaintiff's case for compassionate appointment, the authorities had insisted upon a decree of competent civil court evidencing and acknowledging such adoption before the plaintiff's candidature could be considered, and that is why the suit was filed, full stop. The suit was contested by Srimati Pushpa Devi, opposite party number 3, who was stated to be wife of late Jagdish Saran, by denying the plaint allegations, and it was stated that the plaintiff belongs to a different caste and was not related to the deceased, and no adoption had actually taken place of the plaintiff, full stop. It was further stated that such suit had been filed only in order to secure an appointment with the railways, whereas at no point of time the plaintiff had been taken in adoption, full stop. Various other grounds were urged to contest the plaintiff's case, full stop, para. Both the courts below have concurrently rejected the plaintiff's case after recording a finding that Srimati Pushpa Devi was the legally wedded wife of late Jagdish Saran, and neither any consent of Srimati Pushpa Devi, as was required under proviso to section 7 of the Act, existed, nor there was any registered document evidencing such adoption, full stop. Courts below further disbelieved the plaintiff's case upon consideration of oral and documentary evidence, noticing various inconsistencies in the stand of the plaintiff witnesses, as also the statement of the plaintiff himself, full stop. Aggrieved by the decisions of both the courts below, plaintiff appellant has preferred the present appeal, full stop, para. Shri M.D. Mishra, learned counsel appearing for the plaintiff appellant, submits that the findings returned by both the courts below in the impugned judgment are contrary to materials and evidence available on record, full stop. He further submits that from consideration of materials available on record, the factum of marriage of opposite party number 3 with the deceased itself is doubted and not proved, full stop. He further submits that the relationship between late Jagdish Saran and Srimati Pushpa Devi were otherwise estranged, and right from 1983 onwards various litigation between them had continued, and therefore in such circumstances, there was no requirement of obtaining any consent of the alleged wife, full stop. Much emphasis has been laid upon the statement of Srimati Pushpa Devi where she has acknowledged that she heard about the deceased having adopted a son in the year 2002 full stop. According to the learned counsel, in peculiar facts and circumstances of the case, the plaintiff had been able to establish his case, and the dismissal of the suit by both the courts below is perverse full stop para. Having heard the learned counsel for the plaintiff appellant, and after having perused the material and documents brought on record, this court finds that the findings returned by the courts below on the issue of adoption are concluded purely by findings of fact, which are not required to be reappraised by this court in the instant appeal under section 10C CPC full stop over. तो फ्रेंड्स ये 110 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड का डिक्टेशन हो चुका है. ओके, चलिए फिर इसमें नाम कुछ आए हुए हैं शायद. पुष्पा देवी है तो पुष्पा देवी पी सर्किल पी बना दीजिए, थ्रो द लाइन पी सर्किल पी पुष्पा हो जाएगा और ज़रूरी वॉवल लगा दीजिएगा. और देवी के लिए देव हमने बताया था डी और वी का हुक ऑन द लाइन और ई की वॉवल देवी, और सेकंड प्लेस में जो वॉवल लगेगी वो देव की होगी. ओके, चलिए तो पुष्पा देवी हो गए हैं. जगदीश पूरा बनेगा जे ग डी और डी में सर्किल जगदीश, और उसी में अगर जगदीश में सरन जोड़ना है तो सर्किल लगा के अपवर्ड आर और एन का हुक लगा दीजिए. जगदीश सरन एक साथ हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, मिश्रा को तो बना लेंगे आप. थ्रो द लाइन एम सर्किल अपवर्ड आर, लाइन के अब ऊपर आर जाएगा. ओके, तो चलिए और कुछ बचा इसमें? नहीं बचा, कोई नाम नहीं है. डिक्टेशन लीजिएगा और बताइएगा कैसी लगी डिक्टेशन, रिव्यू दीजिएगा और मिस्टेक्स बताइएगा मिस्टेक कितनी है. और डिक्टेशन तेज़ लगे तो घबराइए मत, डिक्टेशन आराम से लीजिए धड़ल्ले से, क्योंकि एग्ज़ाम का मैटर हल्का फील होगा. ठीक है, चलिए मिलते हैं फिर बाद में अगली वीडियो में. तब तक लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा और कमेंट्स दीजिएगा, मिस्टेक्स बताइएगा. थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय.